Let's fix your corrupted, slow, air-filled Windows 10 by doing this. Hey guys, today we are going to fix your slowness Windows 10 by factory reset your Windows 10. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is you're going to click on Start. Click on the power icon. Hold down Shift, click on Power, and click Restart. What this is going to do, this is going to get into the menu where we're going to do the factory reset from. Okay, so here we're going to click on Troubleshoot and reset this PC. So here we have two options. So we're going to show you, I'm going to show you how we're going to do it and save your personal files. Your apps and your programs will be wiped away. So we're going to click on Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Remove everything will remove every single thing on the machine. So we're going to click on Keep My Files. So it's going to reset and it's going to go, and it should take a few minutes depending on how much storage you have on your hard drive. So here you're going to choose the account. You're going to enter the password. So here, either you can do a cloud download or a local reinstall. We're going to do a local reinstall. Okay, so here it tells you what it's going to do. So we're going to click on reset. Okay, so now it is in the resetting process. Okay, my computer is done doing the factory reset. You'll log in with your username like before. And here, if you open this Edge HTML file, it'll actually show you all the apps that got uninstalled with the resetting the PC. So your computer should be faster now. So for more content like this, consider subscribing, turn your bell notification on, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace. If you like this episode and you want more Windows 11 content, be sure to check this episode right now.